Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to change language in WinRAR 2025. WinRAR is that trusty file compression tool we all use, but sometimes the default language isn't quite right for you. Maybe you're multilingual or just prefer a different interface. Whatever the reason, changing it is straightforward and takes less than a minute. By the end of this video, you'll have it sorted out in no time. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have WinRAR installed on your computer. If you don't, head over to the official website and download the latest 2025 version. It's free for a trial. Once it's up and running, open the WinRAR application. You'll see the main interface with your files and folders. Now, click on the Options menu at the top of the window. From the drop-down, select Settings or Preferences. Depending on your current language, it might be labeled differently, but look for the gear icon if you're unsure. This opens the Settings dialog box. Next, navigate to the Interface tab, usually the second or third option on the left. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled something like Language or Interface Language. Click on that and scroll through the list to select your desired language. WinRAR supports a bunch of languages, including English, Spanish, French, and more, so pick the one that suits you. After selecting your language, hit the Apply button at the bottom of the window, then click OK to close the settings. WinRAR might prompt you to restart the program for the changes to take effect. Go ahead and do that. Once it restarts, your interface should now be in the new language. If it doesn't change, double-check that you have the language pack installed. You might need to download it from the WinRAR settings or website. That's all there is to it. Changing the language in WinRAR for 2025 is a simple way to personalize your experience. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.